Hello guys, I'm Alokik from Agam Technologies and today we are going to talk about our product Agam EDU. This product is mainly built for training institutes and coaching classes. What does this product do for training institutes and coaching classes? Let's look into that. This product is mainly built to help training institutes and coaching classes with multiple centers in their administration, academics and finances. This is a student management system, student lifecycle management system, and a center management system for these training institutes and coaching classes. This particular application is web based and it's only for 2000 per center per month. Now, 2000 per center per month is actually lesser than the cost that you spend on the tea and coffee of that particular center. In this cost, you will get logins for all your students, faculties, counselors, administrators, and accountants. Now, why one should spend 2000 rupees per center per month on Agam EDU? And what is the return over this investment? Let's check that out. Once you implement this application helps counselor in multiple tasks that are monotonous and mechanical and needs to be done every day. Some of them, as listed, is maintaining the admission records of the students, maintaining their physical records, creating Excel sheet out of those physical records, correct, ensuring there are no any mistakes in those records, creating reports out of those records and sending it to management, reports related to admissions, reports related to collection, and reports related to due fees. Then creating a due fee specific sheets and reminding for the payments. Then listing down the leads and ensuring the leads are being properly followed up on the due dates, and notification to parents about the fees, about the admissions, about the academics, about the grades, and about the student progress. All of these tasks that counselor in your center is doing can be automated, can be done by the system and saved at least 20% of your counselor's time, which becomes 5000 per center per month. This application actually implements various automation within your administration, which reduces human error, which improves your dependency on the systems, and which also reduces your time that is being invested in digging out if there are errors and repairing those errors that have happened because of intentional human behavior. This application will also help you in accounting. If you have centers, franchisees spread in various cities and states, your GST compliance get complicated. This application will help you implement your GST compliance, does account reconciliation and fee reconciliation for you, help your franchisees to implement the GST compliance and give you a GST specified reports month on month and quarter on quarter. Standardized operation is the key to scalability of any organization. For your institute, this particular application will standardize all your processes across all your centers. So, creating a new center or a franchisee is just replication of those standardized processes. The system will help you replicate those processes at these new centers and track what the franchisees and these centers are doing. In return, this application will improve the scalability of your institute and improve the expansion potential. Franchisees are the best franchisee is the one who performs well, who is loyal to you. And this application is mainly built to track your franchisee to implement the administration and academics that you want the franchisees to implement, and at head office have a real time updates about everything that franchisee is doing. So this application will help you if you are in a franchisee environment. Thank you everyone. If you have any doubts and queries, please feel free to get back to us on this particular details.